Hello everyone and welcome back. Looking for a fast way to build a website? Let's talk about One-Page AI. This tool promises to create entire sites in minutes using artificial intelligence, but does it actually work? Let's find out. One-Page AI is a website builder that uses artificial intelligence to create landing pages and full websites quickly. You type what you need and it generates a complete site with text, images, and professional layouts. It's specifically made for people who don't code. The platform works directly in your browser and includes hosting. The process is simple. You describe your business in a few sentences and the AI builds a draft with sections like hero, features, and pricing. You can change the style, regenerate parts, and edit everything in their drag and drop builder. The AI writes copy based on real websites. You can also ask it to create custom code if needed. One-Page AI is really fast. You can have a working site in under 5 minutes. The free plan lets you build one project with 3 pages. The templates look modern and professional. Customer support gets high praise. Security is solid, with servers in Europe and GDPR tools built in. The platform includes a CRM for leads and connects with thousands of apps through Zapier. There are some limits though. AI features need credits, which cost extra. The AI only works in English output. You cannot export your site to other platforms. You're stuck in their system. SEO is not automatic. You have to optimize manually. For advanced users, there's less flexibility than coding from scratch. The free plan includes one website and 3 pages for beginners. Paid plans start at $20 per month for one site with 7 pages total. Higher plans give you more sites and pages. AI credits are separate and not included in the base price. One-Page AI is solid for small businesses and quick landing page projects. It's fast, easy to use, and looks good, but if you need full control or want to move your site later, look elsewhere. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.